Hello friends, my name is Suhail Saudagar and today it is a method in Java and today topic is method in Java and date in 16 November. In general, a method is a way to perform a same task. Similarly, the method in a Java is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task. It provides the reusability of the code. We can also use a modify by using method. This is a section we will learn what is the method, types of method and method declaration. So, what is a method? A method is a block of the code collection statement, a set of code together. Grouped together perform a certain task or operation. That means a method. Method you can use the reusability of the code. You can use the C language and C++ function. Function is used to reusability code. Add the same is used to method. That means a reusability of the code. Provide the easy notification is a readability. Code of the just according or removing a chunk of code. The method is executed by only when call on invoke it. Method declaration. The method declaration provide information about the method attributes such as visibility, return type, name, and argument. It is the 6 components that are known as a method header. A method signature. Every method has a method signature. That a part of method declaration include the method name and parameter. Method name parameter is a combination of method name parameter. This is called a method signature. Access specifier. Access specifier is a modifier is a access type of the method specific visibility method. That 4 types of access specifier. There are 4 types of access specifier. Is also known as an access modifier. Public, private, protected, and default. The method is accessibility. The classes when we use the public specific keyword, you can use your code all over the project, all over the class. You can access this a particular code. You then can use public keyword. This is the next one is a keyword is a private. Private, when we use a private access specifier, the method accessible only the classes within defined. Third one is a protected. When we use the protected access modifier, the method accessible within a same package and same subclasses. Protected means you can use the same class and same subclass, then can use the protected method code. And last one is a default. You can not write a 3 keyword public, private, protected by default. This is a default method. Thank you.